Can you help?
Oh shit, let's try this again.
Can you help me? I thought you're gonna have to take acronym!
Not in my shop, you don't. It's a nice looking guitar.
Yeah, it is a nice sounding guitar. Well, now what I would like done with it is, I'm sure you've heard, there is a sitar sound coming off the B string, and I know we discussed this a couple nights ago. It has something to do with the nut, or the B string around there with the nut. And also, I would like for you to set this guitar up too. So do whatever it is that you do to set the guitars up. If it needs a fret level, do that. Probably doesn't need a fret level, but
no problem, man.
Do what it is that you do. Thanks, sir.
All right, so you gotta love UPS and how they pack things. This is George's, what is it called? NK headless guitar. He wanted me to do a little bit of work to it, and I says, okay, send it over. So, first off, the box got kind of crunched a little bit. There's a tear in it right here. Now I removed all the labels off the boxes just to protect George. And this is where the packing label was, and they put one piece of tape over it. Now you can see here where it is a lighter color and a darker color. Well, most of the information was over here as far as who to ship it to, where it came from, and everything else. It was gone. So it had like barely my address sitting right here in the corner. And on this side here, it was gone as well. So you gotta love how UPS does things. Now as you see, the box is dirty, and you know, they taped it up kind of okay. Now hopefully when I crack this thing open, it's going to be pretty much protected on the inside, I hope. It looks like that they had to make a box for this. So I'm going to get my little knife. I love this pocket knife. Damn thing works very nice. Ta-da! Yes, we do. Ah, god damn it. Packing peanuts. That's alright. I'll save these for the next person I have to ship something to. Right? Right. Alright, so hopefully I can do this. I didn't even really put that much packing peanuts in here either. Stay open. Stay open. Alright. So I can do this without losing peanuts all over the place. Yay! Alright. So here's George's NK, and I'm going to open it up for the first time. These cases are kind of nice. Now, I sold the NK that I had. I did some work on it, made a video of it, and I ended up selling it. One of the guys that I know... Ooh, this is purty. One of the guys that I know, he actually wanted it. And I sold it to him. Oh, wow, George, this is nice. So this is the NK, and it arrived here in good, next to perfect condition. And I gotta say that, yeah, this is a very, very nice guitar. Now, action height, the first fret is a little bit too low. I'm wondering if they cut this down too much. Oh, that's what he's talking about. So let's lay this puppy down. Beautiful. Push and pull? Oh yeah, coil splitting. Now, I don't know if this is... Well, it's got to be a flame, true flame in the wood itself. It is split here, so it doesn't look like it's a painted on. Looks like it's natural. Now he's got the glow in the dark and glow-in-the-dark side markers as well for front markers. Sounds like it's coming from the nut. So I'll do a setup on her. Get her pretty good. Looks like everything's alright with it. I'll check the frets, check the nut, replace the nut if need to be. I do have some nut material that I can make a new nut for him with this bone nut. And yeah, so George, you got here one piece, and looks good. I actually like this color better than the one that I had. So, all right, let's get to work. All right, George, so your NK made it here in one piece. I have to say it's a very, very nice looking guitar. I love the way this neck looks with the flaming in it. They also have the flaming in the fretboard. Gonna have to do a little bit of work on the fret ends because they are a little bit sharp. If I go ahead and check there is like next to no relief in this neck at all. So maybe that is where your problem is as far as the action height being really, really low at the first fret. Action height is not bad. It's pretty low. Yeah, I gotta say the action height's pretty low. Pickup height needs to go down a little bit on both sides. Intonation on there, I'll have to check that as well. But all in all, this is a very good looking guitar. And well, it's in good hands. I'll take care of you and ship it back to you. So, yep, that's the NK. I can't believe how much this camera, when I did the first part of the video, now I got a green background and a green guitar, so trying not to lose anything in the guitar was kind of a pain in the ass. But I kind of did it. But I can't believe I'm 250 pounds, okay? And I look fucking huge on camera. It's like, what the hell? But that's being worked on. Same thing with the smoking. Taking care of that, too. Yeah, pretty nice. Pretty freaking nice. All right, George, I will take care of you, and see you later. Or I just might keep it for myself.